Welcome to Tribe Topper. We have got for you simultaneous equations in three shots, and this is the second shot. You have to solve simultaneous by elimination method. So to eliminate, we would either make the coefficient of x or y same for both equations. So what I will do here is I'll multiply the first equation by 2 and the second equation by 3. That would help me to make this as 6x, but 2 will be multiplied with the entire equation, so we get 6x plus 4y is equal to 16 and 6x minus 9y is equal to 3. Now the coefficient of x is same, subtract, cancel, you get, but this would become minus minus plus, so 13y is equal to 16 minus 3, 13. So y is equal to 13 upon 13 as 1. Now you can put back this value of y here. So we get 2x minus 3 times 1 is equal to 1. 2x is equal to 1 plus 3. That's 4. Therefore, x is equal to 2. So this is known as solving simultaneous equations by elimination method.